Well, this is one of the many reasons that I seriously hate having to work for other people. I've got this wonderful machine. I've had it for some time and never get the chance to use it. I never get the chance to service it and clean it and scrape it down. I've just made myself a wooden chisel just to get some of the crap off. My machinery always has a certain amount of oil on it, so when it gets sawdust all over it, of course the sawdust turns into a sort of glue. Let's where to start. Look at that, that's terrible, terrible. I should be shot for a machine like this. As we speak, the gods of Colchester are saying, who let that man have this machine? He doesn't look after it. Well, maybe this year I'll do a bit of looking after, do things for me. That's it, right. And get some cleaning done. This is a wonderful machine. It's actually a lot bigger and better than I needed. But bigger and better is always better than trying to make do with small and difficult. The fact it's got brass swarf on it tells you that I have used it, but not for a while. Oh, look at that steel swarf as well. Oh, that's nice blue stuff. Crikey. I think this might take me a little while to get this clean how it should be. Well, that's all you're getting out of me. Best you lot go back to watching our Peak trying to put carburettors together. I'm sure he's going to end up with bits left over when he finishes it, but you know, we'll see, won't we? We'll see. I'm going to be playing with my lathe for a while.